Hello friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I am going to show you how to enable or disable mouse clicking sound on your Windows 11 PC. So how do you go about doing that? All you have to do is just simply go ahead and click the Windows key on your keyboard and simply type Control, and you want to open up your control panel. Now once your control panel is open, you want to ensure that it is showing in the large icon view. In case it is showing in category view, you want to switch it, or in case it is showing in small view, you can use that, but our large icon view is easier for the eye for you to see. Right now, once you're here, go ahead and click on sounds. Then from here, you want to click on sounds from the top here, and here you want to scroll all the way down. You want to slowly scroll all the way down to where you will find select. Now once you find select, go ahead and click into the section where it says none, where you have sound, and from here you will have a bunch of sounds. Now these are the different sounds that you will use to change for your click, right? Because the select here from this program event is basically for the mouse click. So the mouse click means select. Now from here you can choose whichever you want. Like for example, the ding, it's also something very useful. So I think that this could be useful or could be meaningful, or you can find something else that could be useful. Maybe you can also use the Windows ding as well. But go ahead and choose whichever one you would want your mouse click to sound like. And once you do, all you have to do is just simply click and apply. And from now on, once you go ahead and click on various things on your desktop or whichever it might be, then you'll be able to hear that mouse click. Once you go ahead and click it, you'll be able to see it. Now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm not sure if you'll be able to hear it, but I'm going to go ahead and move a folder from my next screen, and I'm going to go ahead and click on it and show you. Once I click on that, each time I click on that, it gives that ding sound. I don't know if you're hearing it, but you can trust me. Go ahead and try this out, and I guarantee you it is working perfectly fine. So this is how you can easily go ahead and turn on, or let's say set a mouse clicking sound on your Windows 11 PC. And if you would like to turn it off at any point in time, just simply go back, follow the steps to control panel and click on sound, then click on sounds, and you want to find the select once more. Now once you find the select, all you have to do is just switch this to none. So scroll up to where you'll find none, and once you select none, all you have to do is just simply click on apply and then click on OK, and that's all there is to disable it. So this is how you can easily go ahead and enable or disable or set a mouse clicking sound for your mouse on your Windows 11 PC. Very easy and very simple, guys.